Welcome to today's video, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to make someone else an admin, or how to give someone privilege to manage your page for you. Either you make them an admin or you make them an editor on your Facebook page. So on today's video I'm going to show you guys how to do that, and I'm going to share a lot of more information in this video, so make sure you actually stay active. So if you have your page connected to active or switch to the Facebook page already, just follow up this step. If not, go ahead and switch to the exact page that you want. So you can either click on this to go to the settings area, or you scroll down, click on settings and privacy, and then you choose settings. So click on settings, and then it's going to take you to the settings area where you are going to be able to make this change. Now you'll notice where it says page setup, right? Click on page setup. This is going to take you to the exact Facebook page setup. Now, the next thing you need to do, you notice it says different options, right? Now, the option we are going to choose is the one that says page access. So you choose that, it's going to navigate you to that area. Now, the next step is to do add new. So you click on add new, and you are going to click on next, which is at the bottom, and then you are going to search the name of the person. So the name of the person is Stanley Victor. Now you choose that particular name, and you notice it displays all of the information. Now you can see all of the information that the person can actually do right there. Everything is just displaying. Now you notice it says allow this person to also have full control. So you can go ahead and give the person full control, or you just disable that. So I think I'm actually okay in disabling it. So if there is any feature you want to disable, you can go ahead and do that. But if you're ready to give this person access, go ahead and click on give access. Now this is going to prompt you to enter the password. So I'm just going to quickly enter the password while I pause this video. All right, so I have actually entered my password, and you can notice right now it says the invite expires in 21 days, which means the invite has been sent to this person. Now automatically this person is actually supposed to receive a notification right there, but there is no notification displaying. So I'm going to click on this notification to see. There are so many friends notification. I don't even know a lot of these people. So you notice all of this also displaying right here, Facebook. Now let me check. The next place I want to check is the page. This is CS Tech Talk, right? Now you can now see right there it says review invite. So if the person actually, you invited the person, you are probably going to tell the person with a word of mouth that, see, I have invited you, go to my page and then approve. Initially this doesn't used to be the case, but right now this is the exact case. So now click on review invite, and you can notice these are everything I can do: create content, manage post or call, activities, ads, and insight. I'm actually okay with that, and then I'm going to accept. So if you do not want that, you can always decline. So now you can notice it gives me an option to switch to the page and not. So I can switch to the page, and I can switch to TS Tech Talk, and I can start uploading content right there. So guys, this is actually how it works, and this is actually how to make yourself an admin or to get yourself invited. Now I am going to refresh this particular page so that it's going to reload. So I'm going to go right back to page access, and you can now notice that Trust Stanley or Stanley Okafor has been added. Stanley Victor has been added. Now you can click on view access to see all of the person's assets, and you can now I think, okay, there is no, these guys have actually made a lot of changes. So now before you can actually make edit and re-edit and change some privilege that you add to them. I'm going to check this on PC also to see how it also works, but right now this is exactly how Facebook have actually added it. So guys, I hope this video is helpful. Please let me know what you think on the comment section, and I will see you guys on my next video. There is just so many things that has been coming into Facebook. I cannot cover up everything. I am only making this video because somebody said they are not able to see this. So now I hope this video is able to help the person, but if not, I am going to make more video in the future. Please leave a comment if you're still having challenges with your own invite, and guys, I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.